As the weather gets colder, springtime allergies return to hibernation in the back of people's minds. Allergic reactions are the result of individuals being sensitive and perceiving specific substances as harmful, despite them not being called allergens. They can be seasonal, such as springtime allergies during pollen season, or perennial with slight seasonal variations. ¿Cuál es tu alergia?
Pues yo tengo dos alergias, una al polen y otra a los gatos.
Vale. ¿Y desde cuándo lo has tenido?
De toda la vida, desde niño ya nos dimos cuenta y la tengo desde entonces.
¿Y cómo lo manejas?
Pues malamente, la verdad. En primavera lo paso fatal con el polen, pero lo que más me fastidia son los gatos, porque amo a los gatos y los toco y me muero.
Buah. Y pues, ¿cómo es tu experiencia, como de día a día?
Pues una experiencia normal, pues por ejemplo en primavera con el polen me tengo que tomar unas pastillas al salir de casa, pero bueno, se lleva bien con un paquete de Kleenex y poco más.
Muchas gracias por tus respuestas.
Nada.
There are countless allergies, and we can find some that may seem a little strange. What's your allergy?
Slow walkers. I said I don't know where I got it from, but I know very well. As soon as I got to Spain and I got off the plane, I felt it. The slow walkers were everywhere, on the stairs, on the streets, with their suitcases. The airport wasn't even packed, but everyone walked so slowly. As soon as I managed to get past one slow walker, another came in front of me. And it wasn't even packed. And I feel like slow walkers are not talked about enough. To deal with it is frustrating. I don't even know if there's a cure to it or what can be done about it or if I could be less sensitive about it, but it's very frustrating and it needs to be talked about more.
As seasons change and some allergies tend to fade, others stay with us. Whether it's dust, animals, or, well, slow walkers. The majority of us have something that makes us sneeze, itch, or sigh in frustration. Maybe the question isn't what we are allergic to, but how we deal with it. Because some can't be cured with medicine, only patience.